everyone, I'm back again with another PBW video. Got these products I think November or December, just a late upload, and I already used them so I can give feedback about those products. So let's open it. I got this from a super nice and friendly seller, Sylvain. I think I bought like 3 to 4 times now. Products are from the UAE because the price is in Darhab, and we got it during sale also because it's very enjoyable to get your favorite products during red tags, right? And I'll open this quickly in a time lapse. I got some paper bags here. I have here right now their new Aromatherapy body cream in air, and I used it like twice now. The scent is not for me. I mean, the scent is impressive and pleasant, so relaxing, but then I find it a bit like masculine. I don't know if it's only me. I think this body cream is intended for both gender. This body cream claims to have a fragrance with essential oils such as lavender, eucalyptus, spearmint, and mandarin, and other natural fragrances. This body cream also is so rich and non-greasy type that provides deep conditioning and 24-hour moisture. I'll definitely try the other variants like water, earth, and fire. Next is this sugar body scrub. This one is one of my favorite now. I want to try the eucalyptus also. I read a lot of good reviews about that, and this chamomile plus bergamot scrub. I've been using it lately and the scent is really nice and luxurious. This scrub has a fragrance also with natural essential oils made with sugar and shea butter. What I like about this is it melts down after you scrub it on your body, and it's a wonderful feeling after. Very nice and smooth feeling, like I don't know how to explain, but it's really nice on the skin. Super nice. And lastly, these two same candles, my favorite lavender, so mild and calming. I'm a big fan of lavender, that's why. I have lavender lotion, lavender soap, body wash, name it. Like I go crazy about it. I have also other videos unboxing BBW candles. You can go check them. I'll drop the link down and there in the upper screen. And that's it for my unboxing video of BBW. I have one box coming again, and see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, and also share this video. Stay safe and warm, everyone. The weather is a bit cold, so pleasant to have a little candle with you and relax. Bye.